Quinn, I don't think you know what you want.
You want up there too? Hey, you want up there too?
He's a lot harder to get up there.
Yes, he is. He's a heavy dog.
He's not even full grown. Should have brought my gloves out. That's not gonna last long, guys. I have no gloves.
You want a shovel?
No.
They tend to shy away from the shovel. I agree. Oh, gee, not what I really wanted to get a video of.
Hey, at least he's hot.
Yeah. Uh-oh. We're frapping. Now what? No, he don't know. That was short-lived.
He just decided to come down here at all. What's up?
I think somebody's cold.
I expect he is.
I think even the black one is